So to get items, what we'll do is go back to the CLI here, just click back, click up here, and we should have get. So there's a batch get item, which we'll look at in a moment, but we'll look at get item first. So in get item, you specify the table name, you specify the key. We have some additional things here, but we're going to keep it really, really simple. And we're just going to do a simple get. We'll look at the examples here. And yeah, that's as simple as it gets. So I'm going to copy this over here. We're going to make our way back to Cloud9. Just type here get item. And so we have DynamoDB get item table name. Our table name is Starship, so we'll just copy that here. And this is such a short line, I'm just going to have it one line here. And then we need a key file. So I'm just going to make a new file here. So we'll go here and make a new file. I'm going to call it key.json. And the format is pretty darn simple. So you just specify the actual key. So this is the schema key that we need to provide here to get the record. So I'll go here and its actual values. So we have, it is registry is one, and the other one is ship class. And what we'll do is we'll look through our data here and just find a record. I'm going to choose maybe, let's see here if there's any ships that I like. How about the Okinawa? That sounds cool. So we'll grab the Okinawa. We'll try to get this record here. So we'll grab it as Excelsior class here. We'll go back and we will paste that in there. And then we need the registry number, which we'll paste in here as well. So now we have our key, and we'll go back to our scratchpad here. And this, yep, that should work. So I'm just going to copy that, paste that in there. And there's our record. So it returns all the fields by default. I think you could limit the fields that you want returned, probably with projection expression. Just going to take a look at that quickly here. A string that identifies one or more attributes to retrieve from the table. These can include scalar, etc. And if nothing is specified, then it will return everything. So just remember projection expression. That's what it's used for. And if we want to look at this in a different format, let's look at it at table. Sometimes it looks nicer when it's in another format. Nope, that looks terrible. We'll look at it as text. That's a little bit better. So, just consider you can play around with those values there. But that is for the get item. And next we'll look at how to get things in batch.